Hey guys, so last night in my video I was talking about QuickThoughts. I mentioned that I hadn't tried it yet and wanted to see what it was like. I didn't know if I could earn some extra money on that doing surveys or something. Well, last night I opened it up after I was done uploading my video to YouTube and took a couple surveys and earned $1.50. So when you guys open this app, you'll see that it has Find a Survey on here. Basically click on that or tap on it or whatever, and it shows a few options that you can click on here. It starts asking you questions. When you first start, it'll ask you a bunch of general questions, and your first survey will be worth 50 cents, and that'll basically be so that the app can get a feel for who you are and who's using it and what you're like, then it can give you surveys based on that. So you can go through here and take surveys. I'm going to go back. The only thing that I would say that isn't cool about this app or isn't great about it is that you can only cash out to Amazon. There's no PayPal. The only place you can cash it out to is Amazon, which isn't too bad. I mean, a lot of people will enjoy that, but for me, I like to cash out to PayPal. But that's just another way that you can earn money. If you guys want to know more about QuickThoughts and want to know more about how it works, then please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. I know it was a really quick one. About to go to work today. It's 8:17 in the morning. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks.